In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more variants in Shopify, specifically focusing on Shopify product variants. Whether you're new to Shopify or just looking to enhance your product listings with more options, understanding how to effectively add variants is a key skill that can greatly improve your store's shopping experience. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Products section on the left panel of your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the central hub where all your product details are stored and managed. Once you're in the Products section, go ahead and select the specific product for which you want to add a variant. Picking the right product is important, as you want to ensure you're adding the correct options for the item your customers wish to purchase. Next, scroll down to the Variants section. Here, you'll find all the existing options if the product already has some variants. To create a new variant, click on Add. On Add Variant, this is where the true customization begins. With Shopify, each variant can be tailored to meet specific needs. This means you can change the price to reflect different costs associated with various options, or even add a unique title that better describes the variant. Moreover, Shopify allows you to add a distinct image for each variant. This feature is particularly useful if your variants have visual differences, like a different color or style. Shoppers are greatly influenced by what they see, so providing accurate and varied images can enhance their decision-making experience. Additionally, don't forget about inventory management. For each variant, you can adjust inventory levels to ensure you're keeping accurate track of stock. This prevents overselling and ensures a reliable inventory system. If shipping specifications differ across variants, make sure to edit shipping details to align with those variations. Proper configuration here supports efficient order processing and fulfillment. Once you've customized the variant to your satisfaction, the next step is critical. Click Save Variant. This action applies all your changes and integrates the variant into your product listing. You can repeat this process to add more variants, allowing you to cater to a wide range of customer preferences and specifications. After all your desired variants have been added and fine-tuned, the final step is to click Save for the entire product page. This ensures that everything you've just inputted is correctly updated in your Shopify store. By doing this, you'll ensure that customers see the freshest and most accurate information when they browse your products. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added more variants to your product in Shopify. This simple yet powerful tool can make a significant difference in how potential buyers interact with your store. Beyond just increasing your product offerings, it enhances customer satisfaction by providing them with precisely the options they are looking for.